I'm the European champion, and this is my car.
So where are the championships held?
In England, Sweden, Germany, Finland.
Okay.
And I won it.
You won?
I won it.
Wow, congratulations.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, now the pictures are going through, but you can see soon pictures where we are. Okay.
Okay,
There are some
they're
other
coming
pictures
soon.
as well.
Okay,
Travel
wow.
pictures. Now we are on the way to the next, on the ferry. Okay, prize giving ceremonies.
Yeah. Wow, 10,000 horsepower.
Yes. It is top fuel dragster. It uses nitromethane as its fuel. It's not benzene or anything like that. Nitromethane is used in explosive stuff.
Okay.
So this is the engine.
Yeah.
There is a blower. The blower takes already 1,000 horsepower. 10,000 horsepower altogether.
And the speed was
510 kilometers per
per hour. You can't be serious.
It is fastest ever driven in Finland.
Like example, they have a special road which model you have to drive.
Pardon?
Like when you people are racing.
When you're racing.
Yeah.
A special road you can drive.
Yes, it is. It is a track. Okay, it might come. I don't remember what kind of pictures they are coming, but there are coming pictures from our racing season. So
Okay. And do you the racing track in Finland? Where is it located?
it is in Kauhava. Kauhava, it's about 400 kilometers north from Helsinki.
Okay.
We used to race in Alastaro, which is nearby Turku area.
Okay.
But that track is closed for top fuelers, so we can't race there anymore.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a lot of fans like for this type of racing in Finland?
Yeah.
And all these heavy tires. Wow. Yeah.
Because of Corona.
Yeah, Corona,
We
yeah.
haven't raced for 2 years because everything has been shut down.
Okay.
But before that, like in 2019, so we had 6 races.
Okay.
2 in England, 2 in Sweden, 1 in Germany, and 1 in Finland. So we had 6 events 2019.
Okay.
And
Before
we
the
won.
Corona. And you won.
Yeah.
And then you are the champion on those 6.
Yes, and we won it 2018 as well.
Yes.
2016. I have won the championship 6 times.
Wow. You must be a tough driver.
Well, it's
So
my-
what are the challenges like in this type of racing?
Ah,
Maintaining this car must be damn expensive.
oh yeah, and that's why it takes a good crew. You need
Okay.
to have good mechanics working for you.
Okay.
And I have 10 good guys working for me. So when we go to the raceway, everyone knows what to do.
Yeah.
And after each run, we open the engine.
Okay.
So after 10 minutes, we are back at the pit area. Already everything is in parts. 10 minutes and everything is in parts. Then we check everything, put
Okay.
it back together,
Okay.
and then we go racing again.
Okay. What is the duration of the race? How many minutes do you have to race before you finish?
We have 1,000 track.
Okay.
1,000 is 300 meters.
Okay.
So after 300 meters,
Yeah.
it goes 510 kilometers per hour. And then we will just break it down and cool it down. So it's called drag racing.
Okay.
So it's coming from America. This, how to say, stupid sport. There's no sense.
That's sense.
No sense.
At
No.
least I can be champion like you.
Yeah, if you're fast. Yeah. If you can control 10,000 horsepower, yes.
Oi! Sometimes we have cars like 200 horsepower and we cannot control them. What about 10,000 horsepower?
If you're a Finnish lady, you can do it.
Unfortunately, we cannot be Finnish ladies.
Well, then there's a small problem. Yeah, small problem.
Okay, yeah, but congratulations. This must be a tough race for you.
Well,
Like when-
this is
I
my
mean,
hobby.
the-
This is my hobby.
It's a hobby.
Yeah, I'm a chicken farmer.
Ah,
Yeah, I'm having chickens.
wow.
Yeah.
And you spend all your money on this type of hobbies?
Yeah. This
Wow.
is my hobby.
Traveling all
Ladies
over.
needs summer hobbies, you know.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, you
What
can
kind of a
see.
car? Yeah? It went.
Whenever I tell you turn around, and now it's
It's gone already.
they're all, how to say those. But then
You are
because
always there at the middle.
yeah, prize giving ceremony,
2018.
Formula One drivers. Okay, there is my dragster. So
Okay.
this is after winning again.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, you mostly are like this. Anyway,
This is my team. There's
Their
my
team,
team.
yeah.
And one guy is having the chicken dress because I have the chicken farm.
Ah, okay.
I have about 70,000, but I had day-old chickens, and I hatch about 10 million a year.
You can't be serious.
Yeah,
So they're not-
10 million.
yes. I have a lot of them chicken farmer. I'm a chicken farmer, and then
Do
I have a
you
race car.
need workers? We
I
should come and
always
see.
need good workers.
Yeah, we are here.
What?
We can work.
10 million.
Yeah. I hatch 10 million. Hatching means that after they are hatched, they are leaving our hatchery and they
Yeah.
go other chicken farms around Finland.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Say it again. Where's the location of your chicken farm?
Vilppula, it's between Tampere and Jyväskylä.
Yeah, it's not.
Tampere,
Yeah.
it's north. Jyväskylä is even north.
You should visit.
Yeah.
Should we- should we- should we-
Instagram?
No.
You don't use any app which you know that somebody can follow you there.
I have Facebook, but I'm very bad at that.
Uh-huh. But I'm just surprised that you hatched 10 million
Yeah.
chicken a
Yeah,
year.
it's a lot of
And then you distribute to other.
Chicken farms, yeah.
What?
but in Finland that like chicken, like farming for chicken is a lot of money in Finland.
And there again, I'm hatching meat type chickens, broilers.
Broilers, yeah.
It takes only 1 month, then they are ready to go to the slattery company. So after the farms have grown 1 month, I'll bring another new chickens there. So
Okay.
that's why it's like a continuous work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
that's interesting. Yes.
What? Give us some cards.
I don't have any cards.
You can't be serious. So website.
Hey, I came here. I didn't even. I don't do these kind of shows. I'm just going to a racing and I'm with my chickens. So I'm just doing this for